Namaste, good morning to you all and welcome back to our mathematics class. In the previous class, we have discussed bar graph and histogram. Hope you have revised well. In today's session, we will discuss pie chart, plotting points in Cartesian coordinate system. Let's move on to the first. We will discuss pie chart. Pie chart is used to show the relationship between whole and its parts. Pie chart, it is used for graphical representation of statistical data. It is used for graphical representation of statistical data. It is a circle. That circle divides into sectors such that the area of each sector is proportional to the size of its category. It is a circle. That circle divides into sectors such that the area of each sector is proportional to the size of its category. It is also known as circle graph. That means the pie chart is also known as circle graph.
By now, we should be very comfortable making bar graphs to represent data. Look at this example in which we can see different types of cars and their sales in a particular month. So in that month, 150 type A cars were sold, 100 type B cars, 80 type C cars, and 170 type D cars were sold. First, let us see how the bar graph for this data would look. 4 bars to represent the sales of 4 types of cars. An appropriate scale of 1 centimeter equal to 40 cars was chosen. We can see that car D was the best-selling model in that month, and lesser numbers of car C were sold. But is there any other way in which we can represent this data? Assuming that these were the only 4 types of cars sold, this is another way in which the data can be shown. It's a circle divided into 4 parts or sectors of not necessarily the same sizes. If all these regions are sectors, it means this point has to be the center. But what are these regions? They represent the 4 parts, sales of each A, B, C and D. Do not worry about how we drew this. We will see that soon. Just try to understand the logic first. Assume this entire circle represents the total number of car sales. These 4 sum up to 500. 500 cars were sold that month. This region A represents 30% of the total sales, which is 150 cars. How did we get this 30%? 150 divided by 500 multiplied by 100, and that's 30%. In the same way, B represents 20%, which is 100 cars. C represents 16%, which is 80 cars. And D represents 34%, that is 170 cars. 150 is 30% of 500. 100 is 20% of 500. 80 and 170 are 16 and 34% respectively. The region A covers 30% of the entire circle. Region B covers 20% of the entire circle. And regions C and D represent 16 and 34% of the entire circle. We use a circle to represent the total and make parts of it to represent each category. This type of representation is called a pie chart. And what's the best example of a pie chart? Yes, it's a pizza. It's a pie chart with equal parts or sectors. I was looking for some examples of pie charts, but then I thought I should make one myself. So I asked many people a question. What do you do while waiting for your toast to pop up? I drew a circle that represents the number of people I approached. Around 4% of the people told me that they get butter and cutlery out. 2% of the people told me that they clean up the kitchen. And you will not believe that the remaining 94% told me that they just stare at the toaster. Isn't that true with us too? A few people were asked to categorize the content of a pop song. A circle was drawn to represent the entire content. Around 2% was actual lyrics. 25% was the word yay. 30% was the word ooh. And the remaining was the word baby. This was just a funny way to understand pie charts. We will look at a couple of serious examples.
Move on to exercise questions. First problem from exercise 17.3. The pie chart shows how some students travel from home to school. Pie chart is given. Option A. By which mode do most of the students travel from home to school? Option B. Find the percentage of students who go to school on foot. Option C. Find the angle of the sector representing others. Option A. By which mode do most of the students travel from home to school? Here the area of sector showing bus. This is more. So the answer is bus. Then option B. Find the percentage of students who go to school on foot. Here on foot the angle is given 105 degree. So angles at a point is 360 degree. The total is 360 degree. So you have to find the percentage of students who go to school on foot. That means 105 degree divided by 360 degree into 100. 105 degree divided by 360 degree into 100. Here 0, 0 cancel. You can cancel 105 and 36. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Here 12. Then again cancel. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Then 35 into 5 divided by 6. 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25 balance 2. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17. 175. So 175 divided by 6. 2 6 are 12. Then balance 5. Then next number is 5. 9 6 are 54. Then balance 1. So the answer is 29 1 by 6. 29 1 by 6 percentage. 29 1 by 6 percentage. The total angle is 360 degree. This is 135. This is 105. This is right angle. So 90 degree. 90 degree. So the others means you have to add these three angles. After that subtract that answer from 360 degree. Option C. Find the angle of the sector representing others. Here this angle is 135 degree. This is 105 degree. This is right angle 90 degree. Then adding these three angles 105 plus 135 plus 90. 105 plus 135 240. 240 plus 90 330. So the total is 360. So 360 minus 330 is equal to 30 degree. So find the angle of the sector representing others. This is 30 degree. Next, question number 2. The pie chart shows the favorite subjects of 180 students. Option A. Which subject do most students like? Option B. Find the angle at the center of the sector representing science. Option C. Find the number of students whose favorite subject is English. Option A. Which subject do most students like? You can check the size of the sectors. Here the area of sector showing science. This is more. So the answer is science. Science. Then option B. Find the angle at the center of the sector representing science. Here the science is 35%. So percentage means that number divided by 100. So 35 divided by 100 into, we already learned about the angles at a point. Angles at a point is 360 degree. So 35 divided by 100 into 360 degree. Here 0, 0 cancel. Then dividing by 5. 7 5s are 35. 2 5s are 10. Again cancel. 2 and 36. 18 2s are 36. Then multiplying 18 into 7. 18 into 7. 8 7s are 56. Balance 5. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 5. 12. So 126 degree. 126 degree. Option C. Find the number of students whose favorite subject is English. You have to find the number of students whose favorite subject is English. Here the English is 25%. So the total students 180. Total number of students 180. So English 25%. So in 25 divided by 100 into total. Total means 180. So we can cancel 0 and 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. Again cancel 2 and 18. 9 2s are 18. Then 5 into 9. 5 into 9 is 45. So 45 students like English. In question number 3, a shop sells 3 grades of coffee which are platinum, gold and silver. The pie chart represents the weight in kilogram of each grade of coffee sold on a particular day. The total weight of coffee sold was 14.4 kilogram. Find the value of X. Option B, the percentage of platinum coffee in the total weight of coffee sold. Option C, the weight of gold coffee sold. A shop sells 3 grades of coffee which are platinum, gold and silver. This pie chart represents the weight of each grade of coffee sold on a particular day. The total weight of coffee sold was 14.4 kilogram. First you have to find the value of X. This is 4x. This is 5x. This is right angle. So this is 90 degree. So yeah, we already learned about the angles at a point is 360 degree. So in option A, 4x plus 5x plus 90 is equal to 360 degree. Angles at a point is 360 degree. So 4x plus 5x plus 90 is equal to 360 degree. So 9x plus 90 is equal to 360 degree. So 9x is equal to 360 degree minus 90. So 9x is equal to 360 minus 90. 360 minus 90 is 360 minus 90. Here 0. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So 16. Here 2. 16 minus 9 is 7. Here 2. So 270 degree. X is equal to 270 degree divided by 9 is equal to 30 degree. So the value of X is 30 degree. Then option B, the percentage of platinum coffee in the total weight of coffee sold. The percentage of platinum coffee in the total weight of coffee sold. The platinum is here 90 degree. The total angle is 360 degree. So in option B, 90 divided by 360, total 360. The percentage means into 100. Here 0 0 cancel. We can cancel by 9. 9 4s are 36. 10 9s are 90. Again cancel. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Again cancel. 5 2s are 10. So 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25%. The answer is 25%. Then option C, the weight of gold coffee sold. The weight of gold coffee sold. Here the gold is 4x. Yeah, we already find the value of x. X is 30 degree. So 4 into 30. 4 into 30 is 120 degree. So the gold is 120 degree. The weight of gold coffee sold. That means 120 degree divided by total 360 degree into the total weight. The total weight is given 14.4 kilogram. The total weight of coffee was 14.4 kilogram. So 120 divided by 360 into 14.4. We can cancel. 120 is 20. 120 is 360. So 14.4 divided by 3. 14.4 divided by 3. 4 3s are 12. Balance 2. Next here point. So we put point in the quotient. The next number is 4. 8 3s are 24. So the answer is 4.8. The weight means kilogram. So unit of weight is kilogram. So 4.8 kilogram. Next, we will discuss Cartesian coordinate system. In the Cartesian coordinate system, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines is there. The horizontal lines are called x-axis and the vertical lines are called y-axis. This is horizontal lines. This is x-axis. So x dash. Vertical lines y-axis. So y dash. This is horizontal line, this is vertical line, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Then the point of intersection of two lines. The point of intersection of two lines is called the origin. It is denoted by the letter O. Origin. This is origin. The letter is denoted by the letter O. The axis divides the plane into 4 parts. This is first part, second part, third part and fourth part. So this is the first quadrant. First quadrant. This is second quadrant. Second quadrant and this is third quadrant. Third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. So the axis divides the plane into 4 parts. This is first part, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Next, we will discuss how to plot a point in a Cartesian plane. Plot the point P of 5, 3 on a coordinate plane. First of all, you have to draw the axis x and y. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. The given point is 5, 3. 5 is the x coordinate and 3 is the y coordinate. Here the x value is 5. X value is here 5 and the y value is 3 here. X value 5, this is y value 3. The lines from x-axis 5 and the y-axis 3 is meeting at a point P of 5, 3. 5 and 3 meeting at a point 5, 3. Move on to exercise questions. First problem from exercise 17.4. Option A, write down the coordinates of the points A to J in the given diagram. Option B, which points are in the first quadrant. Option C, which points are in the fourth quadrant. Option D, which points are on the y-axis. First option A, write down the coordinates of the points A to J in the given diagram. We have to mark the points A to J. This is A. The x coordinate value is 3. The x coordinate value is 3 and the y coordinate value is 0. So the coordinate of A is 3, 0. 3, 0. Then B. Next point B. Here the x coordinate is 5. X coordinate is 5. X coordinate value is 5 and the y coordinate value is 2. The y coordinate value is 2. So the coordinate of B is 5 comma 2. 5 comma 2. The x coordinate is 5 and the y coordinate is 2. The coordinate of B is 5 comma 2. Next C. The x coordinate value is 2. The x coordinate value is 2 and the y coordinate value is 4. The y coordinate value is 4. So the point C is 2 comma 4. Then D. The point D. The x coordinate is 0. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 2. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 2. The point is 0 comma 2. Then E. The x coordinate is minus 4. The x coordinate is minus 4 and the y coordinate is 3. So minus 4 comma 3. X coordinate is minus 4 and the y coordinate value is 3. So minus 4 comma 3. Then F. The x coordinate is minus 5 and the y coordinate value is minus 3. So minus 5 comma minus 3. Minus 5 comma minus 3. Then G. The x coordinate value is minus 2. The x coordinate value is minus 2 and the y coordinate value is minus 4. So minus 2 comma minus 4. Then H. The x coordinate is 0. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1. Then coordinate the point I. The x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is minus 3. 1 comma minus 3. The x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is minus 3. Then J. The x coordinate is 4 and the y coordinate is minus 2. So 4 comma minus 2. In x axis the value of y is 0 and in the y axis the value of x is 0. Then option B. Which points are in the first quadrant? Which points are in the first quadrant? This is the first quadrant. B and C are in the first quadrant. So the answer is B comma C. Then which points are in the fourth quadrant? First, second, third, fourth. Which points are in the fourth quadrant? I and J. The answer is I comma J. I comma J. Then option D. Which points are on the y-axis? Which points are on the y-axis? This is y-axis. So the point D and H are on the y-axis. D comma H. Question number 2. Write down the x coordinate of each point. You have to write the x coordinate of each point. Option A of 3 comma minus 2. Here 3 is the x coordinate and minus 2 is the y coordinate. So x coordinate is 3. X coordinate is 3. Then option B of minus 2 comma 7. So x coordinate is minus 2. Minus 2. Here C of minus 1 comma 4. So the x coordinate is minus 1. Then option D of 0 comma 0. The x coordinate is 0. It's the x coordinate. Then question number 3. Write down the y coordinate of each point. The first point is x coordinate and the second point is y coordinate. So option A, P of 4 comma minus 5. So the second point, minus 5 is the y coordinate. Then Q of 3 comma 2. The second point, 2 is the y coordinate. Then minus 6 comma 7. 7 is the y coordinate. Then option D, S of 9 comma 0. 0 is the y coordinate. Today we have discussed pie chart and plotting points on the Cartesian plane. Hope it is clear for you all. If you have any doubt, please note it and keep. We will discuss it during the online session. Thank you for watching. Namaste.